How to share YouTube video on Instagram story. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share any of your YouTube videos in your Instagram account. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First of all, head over to your YouTube. Tap on any video that you would like to share to your Instagram story. Then tap on to share. Here, if you scroll to your left, you will see Instagram messages. But in order to share this in your Instagram story, tap on to copy the link. Once you copy the link, open up your Instagram app and get logged into your Instagram account. Now let's go ahead and add that video to our story. To do that, tap on your story from your top left. Then choose any photo that you would like to add with that video link. Then tap on the sticker icon. Here you will see a link option. Simply tap onto it and paste the link that you copied. Then tap on done. And just like so, tap on your story. And as you upload those story, if people tap onto the link, they will get directed to the video that you just copied the link of. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.